press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello my dear students, welcome back to the classroom. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, electricity and circuits. What comes your mind when you heard about the term electricity? See, you imagine it is nothing but the current. Yes, of course, it is nothing but the current. See, electricity is nothing but current. See, before going to the chapter, let us learn some key learning points here, in which first one is the importance of the electricity. See, importance of the electricity very much important in nowadays, and without imagine our life without electricity. See, that much it is important, and various types of instrument and devices which is working continuously throughout the day, and thereby by using the electricity only these devices and the instrument will be working, and thereby we can say that there are a lot of importance will be there to the about the electricity. And next we shall move on to the another point, electric cell. See, electric cell and different types of electric cells will be there, and we also learn about the different types of electric cell. Next one is the working of the dry cell. See, how it works will be learned in this term. And next one is the electric switch and the circuit. See, switch as well as the circuit. Circuit is nothing but a complete involvement of the instrument which help the instrument to work, or the glowing of the bulb will be takes place, and thereby different types of key like bulb, switch, all these instrument or all these devices will be used to make a complete circuit of the electric circuit. And next one is the working of the electric torch. See, as we all know that electric torch is a simple device which is used to light up the light up during the when the power cut or any dark place. We have to carry the electric torch so that we can see the particular things in a proper way. And next one is the distinguish between the conductor as well as the insulator. See, conductors are those objects which can conduct the light, or the which passes the light through them, are called as conductor. Example is the metals like silver, gold, iron. These are the metals which conducts the electricity, and usually you have seen the wiring of the electric tube lights and the bulb. You can see the different wires in which silver wires, copper wire will be placed or covered with a insulator. See, so that the electric shock will not be takes place by holding such an instrument. And like that we can say that conductors are those metals or those substance which conducts or which allows the light to pass through them, are called as conductors. And next one is the insulator. See, insulators are those metal objects or the substance which do not allow a light. Example, which do not allow the light to pass through them or electricity flow through them. We call it as an insulator. Example is the plastic, is one of the best example for the insulator. See, this is all about the key learning points. See, you have enjoyed a lot during the summer vacation. See, during the summer vacation there is no school will be there, and also you enjoyed a lot. And during your enjoyment, if long power has been cut, then what will you, would you still enjoy your summer vacation? You can say that it is very difficult for you to enjoy in such a climate. See, like that electricity very much important for us, and running of the fan and different types of devices in our day-to-day life with the help of electricity only. And there are different types of gadgets and devices will be there with the and these devices and the gadgets use the electricity, and thereby they will move and run in a proper way. And see, there are different types of electric gadgets will be there. which make the life comfortable, and these gadgets and devices are fan, air conditioner, micro oven, television, laptop, computer, and washing machine, and tube light, bulb, etc. These are run with the help of the electricity only, and there we can say that different types of gadgets and the electric devices which helps to run or move means by using the electricity only, like fan, air conditioner, micro oven, TV, that is television, computer, washing machine, laptop, tube light and bulb, which are these are the instrument or the devices which run with the help of electricity only. And in today's world, without electricity we can't even imagine our life. See, electricity is a useful form of energy which converts the heat, light as well as the sound energy. See, it is one of the useful form of energy which converts the electricity is one of the useful form of energy which converts the light energy into the heat, light as well as the sound energy. See, electricity is one of the useful form of energy and which can be converted the light, heat as well as the sound energy. For example, in the light, if we switch on the light, then glowing will be takes place. The tube light or it may be the bulb will be glow. So that we can say that electricity, it is a type of energy which can be used to convert into the light energy. And next one is the heat energy. For example, iron box, if you put on the switch, then the electricity will be converted into the heat energy, so that our clothes will be iron. And next one is the sound energy. See, the using the electricity as a energy which can be converted into the sound energy. While starting the mixer, the sound you heard, and this is nothing but the electricity, and this electricity, it is one of the useful form of energy which can be converted into the light energy, heat energy as well as the sound energy. See, this is the importance of the light, electricity. And the electricity usually produced in the power station. See, as I told you, electricity is very much important in our daily life, and electric gadgets and devices will be there, and these electricity can be converted into light energy, heat energy as well as the sound energy. And how this electricity will be produced? Electricity will be produced in the power station. Power station. See, from the power station, it is reaches to our houses, homes, schools, factories, offices, etc. and different say electricity will be produced in the power station. Usually in the power station the electricity will be produced, thereby there is a turbine will be present. When the heavy flow of water falls onto the turbine, then it will rotate and thereby electricity will be produced, and like that the power station will produce the electricity, and these power station, from the power station it is reaches to our homes, schools, factories, offices, etc. and different rooms and different types of places these electricity will be reaches, and thereby through the cable and the wire. Say electricity will be produced in the power station and reaches to our home, school, factories, office, and there through the cable and the wire it is reaches to these places. And electricity will be turned on or turned off by using the switch. Turned on or turned off by using the switch. Through the switch only we can turn off or turn on the electricity. And now we can say that electricity is one of the form of energy which is transportable and can be controllable. Say electricity is a form of energy which can be transportable and controlled. Electricity is one of the form of the energy which is transportable and can be controlled or controllable. Transportable and controllable. Say if the flowing of the electricity will be takes place in the wire, we can easily turn off the electricity so that it will cut off the electricity. Flowing of the electricity will be cut off, and thereby we can say that it is either may be controllable, or the control we can control by switch off the electricity so that it will control and can be transportable. It can transfer to one place to the another place through the wires. And see, this is one of the electricity is nothing but it is a form of energy which can be transportable and controllable. See, this is the definition of the electricity. And see, in case of the power cut, the electricity will not be transmitted or will not be flow through the wires or the cables. And also, see, this is all about the electricity. See, electricity is a type of it is a form of energy which can be transportable and controllable. And there are varieties of devices and electric gadgets will be there, so that by using such instrument we minimize the work of the human beings, or the minimize the work of ourselves, like different types of air conditioner and television will be there, different types of gadgets like fan, etc. These are the different types of devices. By running to these devices, electricity must be required, and thereby electricity will be produced in the power station and it is reaches to our home, and office different places through the cables and as well as the wire. When the flow of the water will falls on the turbine, see in the water there is a turbine will be present. See, if flowing of water will be takes place heavily, then the turbine will be rotate or move, and thereby the electricity will be produced in the power station. And from the power station, it is reaches to our home through the cables as well as the wires. See, this is how the electricity will be generated or the produced. Next, we shall move on to the electric cell. Say electric cell, a device which can be converted into the chemical energy into the electrical energy. A device which converts the chemical energy into electrical energy. And one more definition is there, electric cell is used to produce small amount of a device which is used to produce small amount of electricity a device which produces a small amount of electricity by chemical reaction. Is also called as electric cell. Say electric cell is nothing but a device which converts the chemical energy into the electrical energy is called as electric cell. One more definition is there, a device which is used to produce small amount of electricity by the chemical reaction. See inside the electric cell, see this electric cell having chemicals inside the electric cell, and thereby these chemicals when used of the cell, then the cell will be down or will not be used again. And see this is the chemical reaction will be takes place in the cell, inside the cell, and thereby when the chemical reaction is takes place, afterwards this chemical will be converted into the electrical energy, that is electricity will be produced. For example, this electric cell will be used in the remotes while watching the TV. The remotes and different types of toys will be used this type of electric cell, and thereby inside the cell there is a chemical reaction will be takes place, and thereby chemicals will be present, and when these chemicals will be used up, the electric cell will be down, or sometimes it is not used again. And see this is all about the electric cell. See this electric cell used to run the devices like torch, alarm clock, watch, camera, etc. say this electric cell used to run the devices like torch. Say this is types of the electric cell, where the electric cell will be placed in the torch, camera, in toys also the electric cell will be present, torch, toys, camera. Next some more examples will be there. Alarm clock, watch, etc. These are the different types of electric cell, watch, etc. These are the different types of electric cell, and these electric cell used to run the devices like torch, camera, toys, watch, etc. These are the different types of example also, and different types of electric cells will be there. And see, next we shall move on to the structure of the electric cell. See, before going to the structure of the electric cell is an electric cell produce the electricity in a short amount. See, this electric cell will produce electricity. See, as I told you, how the electricity will be produced means by reaction of the chemical reaction which are going to take place in the electric cell, and thereby by utilizing the chemical reaction it is converted into the electrical energy. That is, the electricity will be produced here. And how long this electricity will be produced? Till the chemicals will be used up completely. Then afterwards it will be down, or electric cell will not work at all till the chemicals used it works. See, it works till the chemicals will be used up, and usually the electric cell is having a voltage of 1.5 volts. See, very less amount of current will be flow through the electric cell. See, this is all about the electric cell. In the next class we will learn about the structure of the electric cell. See, this is the electric cell. See, once again I will tell you, electric cell is nothing but a device which can be converted into the chemical energy to the electrical energy. See, by means of the chemicals which are present in the electric cell, and there is a reaction will be takes place, and so that electricity will be produced, and a very short amount of electricity will be produced, and nearly around 1.5 volts of electricity will be produced, and that much only. And based on the different types of electric cell, and some of them are very long and large in size, and thereby the voltage will be increases based on the type of electric cell. And one more definition of the electric cell is a device which is used to produce small amount of electricity, only small amount of electricity produced here. And so this is the electric cell. By the chemical reaction only the small amount of reaction will be takes place, that is the electricity will be produced here. And the electric cell having different types, and also used to run the different devices like torch, camera, toys, watch, and different types of etc. are the different types of electric cell. And this electric cell usually produces the electricity in a very small way, or the small amount, and having the voltage of 1.5 volts, and the electricity will be produced till it works, till the chemical will be used up, and when the chemicals will be used up, the electric cell will be stopped, and then we can't even take the electric cell to run the other vehicle or other devices. Since the chemical will be used up, there is no more chemical will be present, so that if we put in the devices, then it will be off, or cells will be down. See, this is all about the today's class. In today's class, we will learn about the term electricity. It is a type of a energy which is helpful for controllable and also the transportable, and which is helpful for running the different types of devices and the instrument. And also we learnt about the electric cell. Electric cell is a device which helps to convert the chemical energy into the electrical energy. And one more definition is there. It is a small amount of electricity will be produced by the action of the chemical reaction which is present in the cell, and thereby we can say that electric cell will be run, or to run the devices. There are different types of devices will be there, like torch, camera, toys and watch, which runs with the help of a electric cell. And due to the short amount of chemicals will be present in the electric cell, and the voltage will be also very less, 1.5 volts of these electric cells will be present, and thereby if a large quantity or large amount of electric cell will be there, then inside the electric cell chemical also in a very large amount, and it will work till the chemical will be used, and after by utilizing the chemical or the reaction will be completed, then the cell will be down, or it will stop the circulation or the transmission of the electricity. So this is all about the today's class. In tomorrow's class we will learn some more concept about the lesson, the chapter electricity and circuits. Thank you.